In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pop-up overlay modal in Figma. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser and creating or opening a design file. We'll keep this simple and visual so you can clearly see the effect. You'll need two frames, one to act as your base screen and a second that represents the pop-up. If you don't see the frame tool, tap the F key on your keyboard and draw out two frames on the canvas. Give them a reasonable size, like a standard desktop or mobile frame, so the preview looks realistic. To make the transition obvious, apply different colors to each frame. Select the first frame, look to the right-hand panel, and under Fill, click the color swatch. Choose any color that makes sense for your base screen. Then select the second frame, and again in the right sidebar, click. Fill and pick a contrasting color for your pop-up. This contrast helps you visually confirm the effect when we preview it. If your frames look identical at a glance, it can be hard to tell whether the transition is working. Now let's wire things up. Switch to the Prototype tab in the right-hand panel. Select your first frame. You'll see a small circular plus handle appear near the edge of the frame. Click and drag that plus icon to the second frame to create a connection. As soon as you connect them, a panel will open with interaction settings. Set the trigger to after delay so the second frame appears automatically. Choose a delay that fits your scenario. For example, 0.5 seconds to 1 second works well for a subtle pop-up feel. For the animation, select Dissolve. This softens the change and mimics a modal fading in, which often feels more like an overlay. Adjust the duration to control the speed of the fade. Something around 300 to 600 milliseconds keeps it smooth without dragging. When your settings look good, it's time to preview. Click the Present button at the top right of Figma. The preview window will open on your first frame, and after the delay you set, it will dissolve into the second frame, giving the impression of a pop-up overlay appearing on top of your base screen. If the timing feels too abrupt or too slow, close the preview, tweak the delay or duration in the interaction panel, and preview again. Keep iterating until the transition feels natural and clear to you. That's all you need to simulate a pop-up overlay modal with two frames in Figma.